Hmm? Good boy, good boy. Oh, look at us. We got 3 eyes. We got 3 eyes. Joseph become what you call it, Illuminati. Hmm? Joseph, good boy. Hmm? Uy, Lucy to. Tatya ka na, Lucy. Good boy, ma. Joseph, good boy, daddy, huh? Mm. You're a good boy. You're a very good boy. You want to scratch under your wings? Really? Really? Ori. Joseph بخورمش بخورم این جوجو رو. Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Careful. Careful, that is one. Peekaboo. Where's Peekaboo? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peek. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Joseph. Joseph. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Come to daddy. There. Come give daddy a hug. Give me a hug. Come. Come put your head on daddy's chest. There. Put here. Put here. Oi, sorry. 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 Joseph man, Joseph daddy jo. Joseph good boy man. You smell honey? Do you smell honey now? Huh? Look what you did to daddy's wire. Look. I just didn't look at you for like 2 minutes. 2-3 minutes. Two, 3 minutes. Left him alone. He just cheep them. He don't eat them. It's not like other birds eat them, but he likes to chew everything. You always want to chew daddy's stuff. That's not very good. Good boy, good boy. Who did this then? Good boy did it? Then that means you're not good boy, you're a bad boy. Huh? Why you chief this daddy's wire? I'm good boy because you're a good boy, chief daddy's wire? Huh? Good boy shower. Good boy shower. Really? Good boy shower. Now you think because you are a good boy shower you can do everything that you want? That's very bad, Joseph. Because you know that, right? I explained to you. Next time, if I see you this same thing, you chew something, you're gonna go back to your cage, right? Huh? Turn this way to the camera, talk. Turn. Turn the other way. Why are you hiding from the camera, huh? Ah, now tell to the camera. Why you did that? Good boy, good boy. That easy. Good boy, good boy. Just need you to say good boy, then that means you turn to good boy, huh? Huh? Achieve you. Is that good? Achieve you. Hmm? I want to achieve you. I'm going to eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat Joseph. Huh? Joseph, where are you? Hello. Who wants peanut butter? Joseph wants peanut butter? You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Look at the hat. What you did to the hat? It's not a hat anymore. Become a week. Hi. Get excited? You like it? Hmm? I like your design, Joseph. Joseph, that's daddy. Hmm? Are you shocked? What? Huh? What do you think? I wish I could understand what you said, Joseph. Can you try to say it and make that you understand? Huh? What did you say? Huh? What did you say? What did you say? Mwah. Yeah. Nobody can. Nobody can what? I forgot. I forgot what I wanted to